today at a unique place in Hyderabad. We are at Andari Illu. It's a house for everyone. Anyone, irrespective of their caste, creed, sex or religion, can enter this house, cook their own food, have it here, stay for a while and leave. And nobody would ask any questions. Every day, dozens of people come here to Andari Illu. Not just that, people can also come here and read their books. There are also several books placed here regarding competitive examinations and general awareness, and there are also a couple of newspapers and magazines placed here. Now we can take a look around the house and see how it looks.
Andari Illu was started in 2006 as an open house. Later, in 2011, a library too was set up here. This hall is stacked with newspapers and magazines. Here, people can sit, take a book and read comfortably for as long as they want. This room can accommodate 20 to 25 people and has more books on a plethora of subjects. And in the backyard, there are study tables and chairs where students sit and prepare for their exams. Some of these books have been contributed by people who have visited Andari Illu in the past. For those who would like to change into something comfortable while here, there are some fresh clothes and separate changing rooms for men and women. What is a house without a kitchen? Andari Illu has a kitchen that's stocked with some groceries like rice, eggs, dal and some vegetables. People can choose what they want to eat and cook for themselves. There is a 4-burner gas stove and some utensils at their disposal. People usually clean up after themselves, but there are a couple of housekeeping staff to help them if needed. Now, let's talk to the founder on what motivated him to start this open house. Dr. Surya Prakash left his conventional career as a doctor and has been running this house since 2006. His wife Amulya is a consultant gynecologist attending to her patients on the first floor of this house.
Now, unless you do one show, people won't understand or follow. So this is an exercise where we have actually shown like it is possible to share food unconditionally. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే కాన్సెప్ట్లో స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఏంటంటే like they have to cook on their own. It's like your house. So it's no pre-cooked food available because what we believe in is there's no guest concept. Like everybody has to participate. When people are cooking on their own and washing the utensils on their own, there's a sense of ownership. So the ownership is basically the reason the concept is moving so well. So like it is open morning 5:30 till 1 o'clock. So anybody can walk in. 36 years, it's not that it happened in a day. But it is the only organization, you can write, you can say, which is working 24/7, 365 days. No specific funding, funder, atla em ledu. Somebody feels the chair has to be given to the organization, they are giving a chair. Somebody feels something is not there. They feel share with the communities. Let everyone grow. Let everyone be happy. Double is the tension property. Share food, share knowledge, share the responsibility of old lame people who cannot even walk. Support systems create. Instead of saying or asking someone to do it, why don't you do it? As an organization, I might be doing for 100 families. As an individual, you can do for 1, 2, 3, your choice. ఇది లాక్డౌన్లో బేసిక్లీ చుట్టుపక్కల గ్యాస్ అట్లా అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు వచ్చేవారు బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓపెన్. బయటకు రావాలని టెన్షన్ ఉండేది కదా. సో బికాజ్ దిస్ హౌస్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీథింగ్, కొన్ని సేఫ్టీ మెజర్స్ పెట్టుకున్నాం, శానిటైజర్లో ఒక టైం పెట్టుకున్నాం. గ్రూప్ కింద వస్తే కొంచెం అలాంటివో చెప్పాల్సి వచ్చింది. ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్ ఎక్కువ మంది వచ్చారు. దే స్టేడ్ హియర్ 6 డెలివరీలు అయ్యాయి మాకు ఇక్కడ.
Andari Illu does not have any boarding facility and one cannot stay for the night. However, if you are looking for a space to cook or a place to read a peaceful book, this is your place. Probably this is the only place in Hyderabad which is open house for everyone. If you are in Hyderabad, do make a visit to Andari Illu or you can even contribute. This is where I sign off. This is Rajeshwari reporting for the News Minute.